refreshing modern gadget for your cooking space. In here, we all believe that technology development and innovation is meant to help and ease humans' life. One of the most obvious proofs can be seen on the transformation of telephone to be the sophisticated smartphone we are carrying now. Incredible, isn't it, knowing that we now only need to carry a small item in our pocket that incorporates varying functions? And today, we will talk about modern gadget that would be really helpful for you to work in kitchen. Once again, this is the proof how technology has changed our life. Do you remember the old times when you placed a tablet in your kitchen with a pen string to it, and you tore every page off when you had done any task written there? Such a beautiful day with many wastes we had made. But today, you are no longer need that kind of fuss anymore since Sungale Net Chef is ready to help your work. This Android-operated tablet would be a great item to ease your work. This incredible modern gadget is even equipped with Wi-Fi and 4GB internal memory you can fill with cooking videos. You can even add up to 32GB external storage as well. We cannot deny how tablets have made our life easier, can we? In this small yet handy item, we can store anything we love, such as the cooking recipes or cooking video. Now, you will need no fuss in bringing your iPad or Galaxy tablet to your kitchen with the help of Belkin Kitchen Cabinet Tablet Mount. This piece can be mounted everywhere you like easily. And now, you do not have to worry anymore about having your tablet spilled by water or milk. Now, you do not have to be afraid of having your grilled chicken burnt. You do not even need to keep checking the kitchen for every 5 minutes to see if your grilled chicken is ready or not yet. iGrill, which is compatible for iOS device, would help you to make your work easier. What makes this item is really cool is the ability to let you control it remotely. It is because this incredible modern gadget idea uses the Bluetooth connection to connect with your iOS device. Now, you can check the time remaining from everywhere within the home.